Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. And it looks like we have only these please do not disturb signs. I believe it's a pack of 10 or so. What's the bow? Like a binder, a loose binder. Seems pretty sturdy. It's quite a bit of them. Yeah, so there's a 10 here. And these are great for if you have like doing Airbnb or something. That's what I'm planning to use it for. But there it is. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.